Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome whether you're brand new or you've been with me since the beginning. Be sure to subscribe. Today I just wanted to share with you a way to build your stash up for mixed media if you're new at it. Mixed media, art journals, junk journals, it is not the kind of thing, no matter how many haul videos I make or other people make, it is not the kind of thing where you have to go buy stuff. One of the best things you can do is tell your friends and family. Tell your friends that you need cereal boxes and cracker boxes, and tell your friends who are quilters or textile people that you'll take their trash. This is my mom's trash pile that she would have normally thrown in the wood stove. Tiny little strips where she cut the selvage off or something was too narrow. She's a quilter and quilters don't mess with this stuff. Those of you who are mixed media are watching this video thinking, oh yeah, sign me up. Look at this one. It has, clearly she was making a baby quilt. It has little rocket ships and numbers on it. Flowers, dogs. Speaking of dogs, they're drinking water in the background. Sometimes in my family, they're sentimental. My mom wrote me a note and said, this one is one of her favorite fabrics. She thinks she bought it in '72, and it has made an appearance in many, many quilts in our family. So that would be fun to have on a journal page or in a project, or okay, I don't think she watches my channel. Ooh, how cool would it be if I made my mom a card with that? The other thing is catalogs. So she sent me a text and said, do you want a catalog of lilies? Yes, please. I could take scissors and fussy cut one of these lilies out. I could, if I was better at it, try an image transfer. I could just take some of these and whitewash over them and put them on a page. Or I could just cut them into strips and have amazing color on a page. In this catalog, there's probably almost every color. So if you were trying to find something to work with a page, think creatively about products in your world. Our recycling abilities have changed a lot in my area lately, so I think I'm much more sensitive to what I'm producing for landfills. I also think that sometimes you just don't pay attention. Quilters are always setting stuff aside. I was crafting all day with my friend, and then I realized hours later she was throwing them in the fireplace. So then I told my mom and she said, oh, I do the same thing. Okay, stop doing that, you guys. The other thing is, if you happen to watch my video and you are more of a quilter or a gardener, then think about the paper crafters in your life who might like a bag of your scraps. Oh, and we also like your thread that you feel is junk. So you bought it, it wasn't nice enough for your sewing machine or for quilting with, we'll take that too. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I hope you're doing great and you're taking time for crafting and relaxing so that your days aren't stressful. Bye-bye.